Cancer is often described as a formidable opponent, one that thrives in environments that suit its insidious nature. It's well known that cancer loves acidity, craves a lack of oxygen, and feeds on sugar. With this understanding, it becomes clear that taking steps to alkalize the body, boost oxygen levels, and significantly reduce sugar intake can be powerful strategies in the fight against cancer. When people come to us seeking help to conquer cancer, our approach is simple yet profound. We recommend a highly alkalizing diet, suggest methods to enhance oxygenation in the body, and drastically cut down on glucose intake. These steps, while seemingly straightforward, can have a monumental impact on overall health and well-being. In this video, we will reveal the hidden cancer-killing foods that big pharmaceutical companies would prefer you remain unaware of. These insights are backed by the expert opinions of Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a leading figure in natural health and nutrition. Prepare to uncover the shocking truth about the everyday foods that possess extraordinary abilities to combat cancer. You'll learn how to harness their power to not only fight the disease but also to transform your health for the better. Allow me to introduce Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a dedicated naturopath who has spent her life unraveling the secrets of the human body's incredible healing potential. With years of experience as a nutritionist and health educator, Dr. O'Neill has transformed countless lives, as evidenced by the numerous testimonials from those who have benefited from her guidance. Inspired by the miraculous recovery of her own child from a serious illness, Dr. O'Neill has devoted her life to empowering others to take control of their health. Her unique blend of nursing expertise and natural wisdom has made her a beacon of hope for many. Her mission is clear: to expose the truth about the body's innate ability to heal itself and to reveal the powerful foods that can help make it happen. According to Dr. O'Neill, cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment. This means that the pH level of our body plays a major role in the development and progression of cancer. The pH scale, which ranges from 0 to 14, measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is. A pH of 7 is considered neutral, but when the body's pH drops below 7, it becomes acidic. This acidic environment is ideal for cancer cells to grow and spread. On the other hand, an alkaline body pH, which is typically above 7, creates an environment that is far less hospitable to cancer cells, making it more difficult for them to survive and multiply. Alkaline environments also support healthy cellular function, bolster immune responses, and promote overall well-being. Without further delay, let's dive into the list of foods that Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommends for fighting cancer. These are foods that are often overlooked but possess incredible cancer-fighting properties. The first group of foods on Dr. O'Neill's list are grains. Grains like millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, brown rice, and oats are not only alkaline but also gluten-free, which has made them increasingly popular in recent years. These grains are rich in nutrients that can help prevent cancer and promote overall health. What makes these grains so special, according to Dr. O'Neill, is their alkaline nature. Maintaining an alkaline body pH creates an environment that is less hospitable for cancer cells. In fact, according to research conducted by the American Institute for Cancer Research and the World Cancer Research Fund, consuming at least 90 grams of whole grains per day can significantly reduce the risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. But how exactly do these grains help prevent cancer? It all comes down to fiber. The colon is where fiber works its magic. As fiber moves through the digestive system, it binds with harmful substances like carcinogens, effectively reducing their impact on the body. Fiber, especially soluble fiber, plays a critical role in preventing colorectal cancer. It acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the good bacteria in the gut and supporting a healthy balance of bacteria in the digestive system. This, in turn, boosts the immune system and reduces inflammation, creating an environment that is hostile to cancer cells. Additionally, dietary fiber is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. When you consume fiber-rich grains, your body takes longer to digest them, resulting in a slower release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps keep your blood sugar levels steady and prevents the spikes that can feed cancer cells, as they depend heavily on glucose to thrive. Dr. Barbara O'Neill also points out that these grains are gluten-free. While gluten itself does not cause cancer, a gluten-free diet can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation, if left unchecked, can contribute to the development of cancer. Persistent inflammation can lead to genetic problems, such as damage to DNA and disruption of the normal functioning of cells. Moving on, let's talk about legumes. Lima beans, lentils, and soy are 3 legumes that Dr. O'Neill highly recommends for their alkaline-forming properties. These legumes are not only delicious and versatile but also packed with nutrients and compounds that actively fight cancer cells. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, consuming legumes like lentils can lower your risk of developing cancer. But what makes these legumes such effective cancer fighters? It all comes down to their unique composition of cancer-fighting compounds. Lima beans, for example, are rich in a compound called protease inhibitors. These compounds are known for their ability to prevent the formation of cancer cells, particularly in cases of breast and colon cancer. Soybeans, on the other hand, possess anti-cancer properties attributed to their unique blend of nutrients and compounds, particularly isoflavones. Isoflavones, such as genistein and daidzein, cleverly mimic estrogen in the body by binding to estrogen receptors. By doing so, they may reduce the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers, such as breast cancer. Lentils are no less impressive. They are super rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in healthy cell division. A folate deficiency has been linked with an increased risk of certain cancers, including colon and breast cancer. When these 3 legumes are consumed together, they provide the body with fiber, which, as we've learned, helps to keep blood sugar levels stable and prevents cancer cells from thriving. Moreover, legumes contain a compound known as saponins, which have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, making them a potent weapon in the fight against cancer. Eating legumes can help prevent various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, colon, and even lung cancer. They do this by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells, triggering cell death in cancer cells, preventing cancer cells from invading healthy tissues, regulating blood sugar levels, reducing inflammation, and binding to carcinogens to stop them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Now, let's turn our attention to lemons. Lemons are high in alkaline minerals, including sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These minerals play a crucial role in maintaining the body's pH balance, creating an environment that is less hospitable for cancer cells to thrive. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, with alkaline minerals acting as the gears that keep everything running smoothly. Interestingly, lemons contain more potassium than even apples or grapes. This mineral is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting heart health. But potassium also plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels, which is crucial for starving cancer cells of their primary fuel source, glucose. Adequate blood potassium levels can encourage the production of insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Magnesium, another essential mineral found in lemons, helps regulate the body's stress response. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making us more vulnerable to diseases like cancer. The calcium in lemons is not only good for your bones but also aids in the body's absorption of vitamin D, which has been linked with a lower risk of cancer. Vitamin D helps regulate cell growth, ensuring that cells grow, mature, and die in a controlled manner. In cancer, this process is compromised, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. Vitamin D steps in, promoting healthy cell growth and differentiation, thereby reducing the chances of cells turning cancerous. But lemons offer more than just alkaline minerals. They are also known for their high antioxidant content, including a potent compound called limonene. Found in abundance in the peel and juice, limonene has been extensively researched for its remarkable cancer-fighting properties. It has been shown to prevent the spread of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, the process of programmed cell death, and even enhance the efficacy of conventional cancer treatments. Moreover, the antioxidant activity of limonene helps shield cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of various cancers, including colon, breast, lung, and stomach cancers. Nuts are another powerful weapon in the fight against cancer. Dr. O'Neill recommends incorporating almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts into your diet. These nuts are not only delicious and satisfying but also packed with nutrients that can help prevent and fight cancer. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, a combination that helps keep blood sugar levels stable and prevents cancer cells from thriving. But nuts offer more than just stable blood sugar levels. They are also packed with antioxidants that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Walnuts, for example, contain a specific type of antioxidant called gamma-tocopherol, which has been linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, eating just 1 ounce of nuts daily can lower your risk of developing cancer by as much as 15%. One of the reasons for this is the antioxidants in nuts, such as vitamin E and selenium, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, a key factor in cancer development. These antioxidants not only protect your cells but also enhance your body's ability to repair DNA and eliminate damaged cells before they can turn cancerous. Another reason why nuts are so effective at fighting cancer is their high content of polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of cancer by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells. Selenium, an essential mineral found in high concentrations in Brazil nuts, is a potent cancer-fighting nutrient. It plays a crucial role in the body's antioxidant defense system, protecting cells from oxidative damage and reducing the risk of cancer. Selenium has been shown to reduce the risk of prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, lung cancer, and even ovarian cancer. Eating just 1 Brazil nut a day can provide you with your daily dose of selenium. Next on Dr. O'Neill's list of cancer-fighting foods are leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These leafy greens are not only highly alkaline but also packed with nutrients that have been shown to prevent cancer. According to Dr. O'Neill, eating a diet rich in leafy greens can lower your risk of developing cancer by as much as 50%. This is because leafy greens are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect our cells from damage and support a healthy immune system. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are nutritional powerhouses that play a significant role in cancer prevention. One of the key components in these greens is chlorophyll, a compound that not only imparts the vibrant green color but also possesses remarkable health benefits. Chlorophyll has been extensively studied for its ability to bind with carcinogens in the digestive system, effectively neutralizing them before they can be absorbed into the bloodstream. This detoxifying action helps protect the body from the harmful effects of environmental toxins, which can contribute to cancer development. In addition to chlorophyll, leafy greens are incredibly rich in dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, which can reduce the risk of developing colon cancer. Fiber works by helping the body efficiently eliminate waste and harmful substances, reducing the likelihood of them lingering in the digestive tract and causing damage. Moreover, leafy greens are abundant in folate, a crucial B vitamin that supports DNA synthesis and repair. Adequate folate intake is associated with a reduced risk of various cancers, particularly colon and breast cancer. This nutrient ensures that cells divide properly, reducing the chance of abnormal cell growth that could lead to tumor formation. By incorporating leafy greens into your diet, you're not only nourishing your body with essential vitamins and minerals but also taking proactive steps to safeguard your health against cancer. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes the importance of incorporating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower into your daily diet due to their impressive cancer-fighting properties. These vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, brimming with compounds such as sulforaphane, indoles, and isothiocyanates, which have been extensively studied for their role in cancer prevention. Sulforaphane, in particular, stands out as a potent anti-cancer compound. Found abundantly in broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables, sulforaphane works by enhancing the body's production of detoxifying enzymes. These enzymes play a critical role in neutralizing and eliminating harmful substances before they can inflict damage on our cells. This detoxification process is vital in protecting our DNA from mutations that could potentially lead to cancer development. Moreover, sulforaphane doesn't just stop at detoxification. It has also been shown to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. By disrupting the processes that allow cancer cells to multiply, sulforaphane helps to slow down or even halt the progression of cancer. Additionally, this compound supports healthy cell function, ensuring that cells divide and grow as they should, reducing the risk of abnormal cell growth that can lead to tumor formation. Beyond sulforaphane, The indoles and isothiocyanates found in cruciferous vegetables also contribute to cancer prevention. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties, which is crucial because chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for cancer. By reducing inflammation, these compounds help create an environment in the body that is less conducive to cancer development. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, consuming just 1 cup of cruciferous vegetables daily can lower your risk of developing cancer by as much as 20%. This significant reduction in risk underscores the power of these vegetables in protecting our cells from damage, supporting a healthy immune system, and promoting overall cellular health. By making cruciferous vegetables a regular part of your diet, you can take a proactive step toward reducing your cancer risk and supporting long-term health. Indoles and isothiocyanates, 2 other compounds found in cruciferous vegetables, have also been shown to have powerful anti-cancer properties. These compounds work by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells, detoxifying harmful substances in the body, and reducing inflammation. In conclusion, Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes the importance of incorporating these cancer-fighting foods into your daily diet. By maintaining an alkaline body pH, boosting oxygenation, and reducing sugar intake, you create an environment that is hostile to cancer cells and supportive of overall health. Remember, the key to conquering cancer lies not only in what you remove from your diet but also in the powerful foods you add. Stay informed, stay empowered, and take control of your health. Please like and subscribe if you find this video useful.